Hello once again. As usual, it's Thompson. I'm a trainer at the RTC Training Center. We are here today to discuss on a multimeter. But today's topic, we are going to focus on how to measure the resistance. As we already know, a resistance is a passive electronic component which helps us to resist the flow of the current through the circuit. As you can see at your own screen, we are trying to measure different type of resistance in order to see the real value of different resistance. As you can see at your own screen, when you want to measure the resistance, you prepare well the multimeter, you connect the probes accordingly, as you can see, and you get ready the resistance in which you need to measure. As usual, you check whether there is a continuity through this multimeter to check whether the probes are working well. And also, you bring one resistor. You have to set the multimeter to the resistance or to ohmmeter in order to make sure you measure, you get the real value of this resistance. As this one, as you can see, you have to adjust until when you reach to the real value. As you can see that one, as you can see that resistance through the multimeter, the readings, it means display the real value of that resistance. You take another one, same thing, you connect the probe through it, you adjust, and then as you can see at your multimeter, there's readings which means the real value of this resistance. The simple way to measure the resistance, you have to set well the multimeter to the ohmmeter in order to make sure you adjust accordingly in order to reach through the real value of the resistance. As you can see at your own screen, and I hope you are practicing with me. You can take any resistor and try to measure in order to know the value of that resistance. As we already know that the resistance resists the flow of the current to the circuit. As you can see, I take this universal DVD player power supply. I'm going to check this resistance which is embedded to this circuit in order to measure the value of those resistance. As usual, I'm using the multimeter in order to measure and to check the value of those resistance which is embedded to this printed circuit board. As you can see at your own screen, you adjust as usual. When you didn't get the value, you have to adjust till when you reach to the real value of this resistance. Adjust to the ohmmeter, and as you can see at your own screen, there is the readings which means the real value of this resistance. I think you keep practicing with me at your home place. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have learned much more based on how to measure the resistance, and you can try it at your home place by the use of a multimeter or ohmmeter in order to measure the value of a resistance. Don't forget to share to your friends and your beloved ones, and remind them to press the notification bell in order to get the new content at time. See you next time. Enjoy.